pain? Can you see the rain? Can you close your eyes for some time? And you will finally see what I mean. The night is coming and I can feel my own heartbeats. I try my best to not give up so easily. Hey, my mind is telling me that I am going to die. I force the feeling back, I'm not dying tonight. I bite myself, I hide myself under the thoughts. Is there any sadder thing than dying alone? I'm losing my shit, I'm losing my grip, I'm losing everything I like to be, that I like to be. Can you feel the pain? Can you see the rain? Can you close your eyes for some time? And you will finally see what I mean. In the night, my mind is so obsessed. I can't reflect myself from the mirror of death. My body's floating in the hurricane of darkness. I lose my eyesight and I show my own weakness. My bed is full of blood and sweat of mine. I finally lose the hope that I will survive. I hope the night finally takes me back. Finally takes me back.